afternoon, children. Welcome to Moral Class. Hope you are all doing great. In the previous class, we have started Justice Above All. I hope you have come to know about previous class, isn't it? The title is Justice Above All. Justice Above All is the lesson written by Munshi Premchand. Okay. So the present lesson, Justice Above All. Through this lesson, we can know how a judge should be, how the justice should be, and how one should behave when he will be in the position of the judge. Okay? We can know about how a judge should be, how the justice should be, and how one should behave when he will be in the position of the judge. Okay, dear kid? And you have to come to know that this lesson revolves around two main characters. The best friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury. And you have to come to know Juman, he had one old aunt. She had transferred her own property to Juman, isn't it? Main characters are Juman Sheikh and Alagu Chowdhury, and Juman had an old aunt. The aunt transferred her property to Juman, and there was a condition made that Juman should look after his old aunt as long as she lived. And in the beginning, the arrangement, everything goes well. After that, the situation completely changed. Juman, he became very different. He totally changed like his wife. His wife also very cruel in handling old aunt. Okay, she used to grudge a little food day also. So dear kid, listen. After that, Juman's aunt, she tolerate all the insults made by Juman and Juman's wife, isn't it? Finally, she lost his patience and she asked Juman to give her a monthly allowance, okay, so that she could set up a separate kitchen. But Juman didn't agree this one. He angrily said, my wife knows how to run the house, so just be patient. Then the old aunt became very angry. Who became very angry? Yes, Juman's old aunt, Kalaja. Okay, her name is Kalaja. And she decided to take this case to the village panchayat. Okay. The aunt decided to take this case to the village panchayat. Okay, children. Till this, we have completed in our last class, isn't it? Okay, children. Now turn to page number 28. Page number 28. Look. Several men came to the meeting. Ramdan Mishra was one of them. Now, Ramdan spoke up. Whom do you appoint as the Sarpanch? Juman Sheikh, he asked. Here, Sarpanch means judge, okay? Underline the word and write its meaning. Sarpanch, it means judge. Let Kalajan choose that, he said angrily. It is she who has called the panchayat. Beta, the members of the panchayat are no one's friends and no one's enemies, said the old woman. If you do not trust the men in this assembly, it does not matter. You trust Algu Chowdhury, don't you? Well, then I appoint Algu as Sarpanch. Juman was elated, but he hid his elation. As you like, he said, shrugging his shoulders. Algu and Ramdan, they are both the same to me. Algu said uneasily, Kalajan, you know I am Juman's friend. A panch is above friendship and enmity, my child. It is God who speaks through him, said Kalajan gravely. And so Algu was appointed Sarpanch. Said Algu, you and I are old friends. We have always come to each other's help. But in the eyes of the Panchayat, Kalajan and you are equal. You are free to state your case. Juman was convinced that Algu was only pretending to be impartial. Nevertheless, he addressed the Panchayat respectfully and gave his version. Now, what happened? Listen. The old aunt, when meeting the people, and she used to explain her case to whoever come across. Okay, and some people listened to her story, and some people, what did they do? They sympathized, and some people get sympathy looking at the condition of an old aunt. Okay. At last she came to Algu and spoke with him. Who is Algu here? Yes, he is the best friend of Juman Sheikh, isn't it? Then Algu, he better knows about Juman and his entire family, so that the old aunt comes to Algu and she spoke to him. Okay. Then Algu said to aunt, Juman is my best friend. How can I speak against him? I can't. Even though Algu, he knows the truth, but he is not willing to go against Juman because Juman is his best friend. Okay. Then old aunt said to him, you just speak the truth. At this situation, he didn't reply to old aunt. Who? Yes, Algu. He didn't reply to old aunt. He simply kept quiet. But whatever the words she said, those words ringing in his ears. Okay, children. Now Juman said, my aunt will nominate the head punch. Okay, who is head punch here? Punch means judge. Okay, Juman said, my aunt will nominate the head punch. I will accept her decision like that. Let my aunt will select the head punch like that, Juman said to the people. The old aunt, what did she do? Yes, she proposed the name of Algu. Okay, the old aunt proposed the name of Algu as a head punch. Okay, and then old aunt add one more sentence, that is, a punch is above friendship and enmity, my child. It is God who speaks through him. The old aunt said that. Okay. Then here Algu is the best friend of Juman, but when he will be in the judge, he neither knew enemy or friend. Simply what he has to do, he has to give the judgment. Okay, Algu has to give the judgment. Now Juman became very happy. Why did he become very happy, dear children? Yes, because Algu, he is the best friend of Juman. Definitely he will give judgment in favor of him. So that Juman became very happy. He will deliver the judgment in favor of me. Now like that, Juman thought that. Okay. Now Algu was in tight condition, isn't it? Because he can't say the truth, because he is a best friend of Juman. But he couldn't go against his conscience. No one can go against their conscience, isn't it, dear children? Okay, listen. Now old aunt, she started to explain her case near that village panchayat. Okay, she said, I transferred my all property to Juman, and he have made a condition that Juman should look after her. But the situation was totally changed, that Juman and his wife, they are ill-treating me. Now Algu turned towards Juman and asked him, if you want to say anything, you can say. First, the old aunt, she started explain her case. Then Algu asked Juman, if you want to say anything, you can say. Like that, Algu said. Juman also narrated his entire story. Okay, kid? After hearing both of them opinion, Algu came to an conclusion. Okay, that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. Okay. Here Algu gave a conclusion that Juman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property goes back to her. Okay. What a pathetic conclusion. Now their strong friendship was broken. Juman and Algu, their strong friendship was broken because Algu speak favor of the old ant, isn't it? So their strong friendship was broken. Okay. Okay, page number 29, last para. The verdict of the Panchayat shook the foundation of Juman's and Algu's friendship. Outwardly, they both pretended all was well. Inwardly, Juman began to thirst for revenge. Juman did not have to wait for long. The previous year, Algu Chowdhury had bought a fine pair of long-horned, healthy bullocks. A month or so after Kalajan's Panchayat, one of the bullocks died. Algu suspected that Juman might have poisoned the bullock, but he had no proof. Next page, page number 30. Algu could not find a bullock to replace the one that had died, so he decided to sell the other bullock. A trader named Samju Sahu bought the bullock and promised to pay Algu within a month. No sooner had he brought the bullock home than Samju Sahu began to work the poor animal to death. It was made to pull a loaded cart to the market and back 3 to 4 times a day. It scarce to a break in between to rest, feed, and recover its strength. Finally, at the end of one long and exhausting day, the bullock collapsed and died. Okay, children, now what happened? Algus sold his bullock to one trader, a trader named Samju Sahu. Okay, Samju bought the bullock from Algu and promised to pay Algu within a month. Okay, Algu sold his bullock to Samju Sahu. She bought the bullock from Algu and promised to pay Algu within a month. Okay, but what happened? Because of carrying many loads per day, the bullock was died. Okay, soon the bullock was died. Then after a month, Algu asked his money, but Samju refused. Okay, so they decided to take the case to Panchayat. Now, both Algu and Samju Sagu presented their cases. Algu said, I have sold one of my bullocks to Sanju and we made a condition Sanju Sagu should pay me the money within a month. Okay, what he said is, I have sold one of my bullocks to Samju Sagu and we made a condition that Samju Sagu should pay me the money within a month. Okay, and Samju Sagu, he said, yes, I agree to give him, but it died within a month and I'm not going to give anything at all because the bullock died within a month, so I'm not going to give anything like that, Samju Sagu said. Finally, Juman, he listened to that argument and he stood up. Who stood up? Juman stood up and he was announcing the judgment. Okay, Samju Sagu should pay Algu the price of a bullock. Juman announcing the judgment. Here, Juman as a sarpanch. Okay, Juman as a judge. So, Juman announcing the judgment. Samju Sagu should pay Algu the price of a bullock because when Samju bought a bullock, it does not suffer any disability, isn't it? When Algu sold his bullock, it does not affect any disability. Unfortunately, the bullock died. We can't blame Algu. Okay, children, finally, being the position of a judge, Juman went with justice, isn't it? When Algu listened to the judgment, he felt very happy. In the word of the judge, God is there. He felt like that. Okay, then Juman went near Algu and hugged him and he was in tear. Both were in tear. Since last Panchayat, Juman said, since last Panchayat I was become your enemy, but today I realize the responsibility of a judge. I come to know a punch, no neither enemy nor friend. Like that, Juman said to Algu. Okay, now they were best friends, isn't it, dear children? Okay, fine. Okay, children, in our life also, no one can escape from the way of justice, isn't it? Human being should have the greatest value called justice. Okay? Okay, this is the story. Hope you understood the story. Now all of you take your book and turn to page number 31. Page number 31. Read and write. Tick the correct answers. As the Sarpanch, Algu Chowdhury listened to his option A friends, option B consigns, option B opponents, option C consigns. What's the correct answer? Yes, option C consigns. Second one, Algu Chowdhury gave a verdict that favored Kalajan because A. She was old and Algu respected her. B. He did not like Juman and wanted to take revenge. C. He felt that Kalajan was right. What's the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is C. He felt that Kalajan was right. Then third one. In the end, Algu and Juman were friends again. Choose a suitable proverb to describe this event. A. All is well that ends well. B. Out of sight, out of mind. C. Look before you leap. Yes, the correct answer is A. All is well that ends well. Okay. Then B. Answer these questions. I'll send through WhatsApp. Okay, dear kid. Okay. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.